Hello people, so we will be solving a daily question that is 1957 delete characters to make fancy string. And before that I would like to wish you and your family a very happy Diwali from my side. And I was about to say my team, but I don't have any such team. Okay, and let's just dive into the question that a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal, and we'll give the string s and we could delete the minimum possible number of characters from s to make it fancy, and we have to return the final string after the deletion. It can be shown that the answer is will always be. For example, we are having L and then triple E and then T C O D E. So what we have to do is, if we are having three characters together, we have to basically more than two characters together. We have to just keep two of them, and then we have to remove all like rest of the same characters. Okay. For the best example is this particular thing. So if we are having triple A, B, and then 4 times A. So what we'll do, we'll just keep these two A and then B is single, so we'll have to keep it anyways. Then we are having 4 A's, so we'll just keep these two and we'll remove the other. Basically, the count of any character which is occurring together should not be greater than 2. Okay. So firstly, what we'll be doing is we'll be having a previous character, so that will be a start char at 0. We'll be having index for the string rows, and we'll be having our string builder answer, which is equal to a new string builder. Okay, now what we're doing is that while my index is less than s dot length, what I'll be doing is I'll be having a count variable, so count is equal to 0, and then while I is less than s dot length, and as my previous character is equal to my current character, so s dot char at int, I'll be incrementing my count, so count plus plus, count plus plus, and here also let's make it int, and count plus plus, index plus plus. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be appending the current character at least once, oh sorry, the previous character at least once, dot append prem, and then I'll be checking that if count is greater than or equal to 2, then I'll have to append up the character again, so sp dot append the previous character again. Okay, and then I'll be updating my previous character, so if I index basically not I is less than s dot length length, then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my priv equal to s dot char at index, and at the end I'll just return answered. Oh, here should be answer, not sp. So answer, yeah, and return answer dot to string, and now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Oh, by the way, you would have been already seeing the acceptation. Yeah, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so just for today, thank you for watching.